Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum Ramadan Kareem. How are you all? Hope everyone is fine. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I want to tell you something important. If you have willpower and self-confidence, you can learn English. It doesn't matter where do you live or where do you work. If you try your best, you can learn English. For example, many people live in small villages or places where there are no coaching centers, but they can speak English. You can say how. Let me explain. They use Facebook, WhatsApp, YouTube, and other social media. They watch videos, join groups, and practice every day. Even without a teacher, they don't give up. I know people who learned English just by watching short videos, reading simple posts. They practice a little every day and now they can speak fluently. If they can do it, you can do it too. You don't need a big school or lots of money to learn English. Here are some tips that you can apply to learn English. First of all, you can watch videos in YouTube or Facebook, or you can watch also English cartoons with captions with Facebook or YouTube. What you want, you can do it. Remember, the more you practice, the more you win. You can also find lots of English group in Facebook where you can learn English very smartly. Many people are learning English there. You can also try it. It's okay to make mistakes. If you mistakes, you can learn and grow. So never afraid to making any mistakes. Everybody make mistakes when they are beginner in learning in speaking English. So be confident you can do it. Always remember nobody first time can speak in English fluently. Remember many people are learning English from home without coaching centers or classes. They are successful because they never stopped learning. If they can do it, you can do it too. So that's all for today. Hope you will enjoy my video, guys. And please like and share my video if you learned something from my video. Tata.